Hi everyone, it's Dinara here. Welcome back to my channel. In my channel I talk a lot about manifestations, and I've recently had a huge insight of how some of the dreams come true and some of the dreams they just don't come true, no matter how hard I try, no matter how strict I am with all the rules, like formulating dreams, writing them in details, imagining them, doing all these techniques that I describe in my most watched video about making wishes coming true. And recently I've noticed that I get all of my small manifestations. For example, I just think, oh, I need a scrub because I love going to sauna and use different salt scrubs, coffee scrubs. And a few days later, after I thought that, my friend presents me a New Year gift, and it is a scrub. And I was shocked that she never actually gave me something like this, and she didn't even know, but she gifted me the thing that I really wanted. Also, I had one image on my iPad and I wanted to buy this certain clothes, and my mom gifted me almost the same identical clothes that I had on my iPad. But there are some dreams and manifestations and goals that I can't reach, and I think I found this one important thing, which is belief. It's easy for me to believe that I can get clothes, scrubs, or food, or anything that really easily manifests in my life. But when it comes to something bigger, like having a big sum of money or having loving and peaceful relationships, it's not as real for me, because there is no so much belief in this, and in turn it makes me unhappy because I don't have that belief that it will manifest in my life. And of course, if I feel unhappy, this manifestation will not come true. And what I've learned from reading the Abraham Hicks books is that you need to start smaller, and you need to start from something that you can actually believe in, related to your wish. So for example, if you want to have a strong relationship but you don't believe that you can have it, and you obviously don't believe, because if you could believe in that, you would have it already. So the thing is to decompose your manifestation and your dream into some thoughts that you actually can believe in. So for example, if it's a relationship, you can decompose it to just having a date. It's easier to believe that I can have a date, and easier to feel good about the idea of having a date, and you know how it feels to have a date. So this idea makes me happier than the idea of having a strong and like super serious relationships. Another example would be that I proposed to my friend, and she wants to start a business together with her boyfriend, and she's like, I don't really believe in this idea, I don't really believe it will work out, I just want to support him and I have to pretend, and I don't really feel good about this idea because it seems unreal to be successful entrepreneur. And the thing about their business is that they want to buy the cheap things in the markets and then resell it somewhere in the shops for a higher price. And I proposed her that she could think of something that she actually can believe in and that will make her feel good. And for example, she can think of buying stuff on the market one time and reselling them one time, not thinking about all these empires that she's gonna build and all of these big business things. Just think about one time buying things and one time reselling things. Can you believe that it will be successful? She's like, yeah, I can easily believe in that. And it's the same with any of your manifestation. If there is something you've been manifesting for a long time, but it's just not coming true, it means that you don't really believe in that, and you don't really think about that manifestation. You think about lack of this manifestation. So it's easier to detain whether you think about your manifestation, or whether you think about lack of your manifestation. When you think about your manifestation, it makes you feel good. And when you don't think about your manifestation, or you feel lack of your manifestation, then you feel bad. It's very easy. So anytime you feel bad, you need to refocus and to find something that you believe in related to your manifestation. And again, emotions are key here. And in my next video, I'll be talking more about how to feel good all the time and how to feel good about your manifestations, because I get a lot of people asking me how to feel emotions at all, because they don't feel anything, and they only feel negative emotions, and they forgot how to feel good about themselves, about their lives, and about their manifestations. So please don't miss my next video. It will be very useful for those who don't know how to feel good about their lives and manifestations. And subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your friends. Your attention and your activity is very important for me, guys. That would be it. That's my biggest secret of manifestation, to decompose it into smaller manifestations that you can actually believe in and that actually make you feel good about fulfilling in your life.